E vamos descansar um pouquinho aqui para criar coragem para começar a capinar, a plantar e a fazer as coisas aqui. Vamos escutar o barulho da cigarra. Ó, o calor tá tanto que as árvores, ó, nem balançam. As árvores, ó, tudo quietinho ali no cantinho dela, porque o calor tá demais. Então vamos descansar um pouquinho. Daqui a pouco a gente começa nosso trabalho.
Her alarm goes off and she gets up to watch the morning news. Doesn't work no more but tells a lot of stories about her youth. Drinks more lately, ain't got pills in many different colors too. Morning light is showing, she moves the chair to look out at her view. But her shop was built right across the street. It stands where the sunrise used to be. In the afternoons on the couch to read, goes through old pictures and memories. Our heroes have been forgotten.
Tudo limpinho. Agora estamos indo embora, deixando tudo em ordem. Tudo nos conforme. As plantinhas todas molhadinhas. Tudo bonitinho. A month since she got a family of her own. It's kept the two apart. Used to have so many visitors, but now the only one is the nurse that helps her move the chair to look out at the sun. But a shop was built right across the street, and it stands where the sunrise used to be. In the afternoons on the couch to read, goes through old pictures and memories. Our heroes have been forgotten. Our heroes so brave and bold. Our heroes have been forgotten. Our heroes so they got old. Our heroes have been forgotten. Our heroes so brave